Have you ever walked through a forest and felt like it was alive, really alive? Like the trees were whispering to each other, exchanging secrets beneath their towering branches? Well, you're not imagining things. Trees do communicate. Beneath the soil, hidden from sight, there's an intricate underground network almost like a wood wide web connecting trees and plants, allowing them to share resources, send warnings, and even help their neighbors grow. But how does this secret language work? And what does it mean for the future of our forests? Let's step into the world of trees and uncover the science behind their hidden conversations. Imagine the internet, but instead of fiber optic cables, it's made of fungi. This underground system is called the mycorrhizal network, a web of tiny fungal threads that connect trees and plants through their roots. These fungi, known as mycorrhizae, form a symbiotic relationship with trees. The fungi absorb water and nutrients from the soil and deliver them to the trees. In return, trees provide the fungi with sugars produced through photosynthesis. But this connection goes beyond just trading resources. It's a vast communication system, one that trees use to warn, support, and even protect each other. Tree conversations, how they send messages. So, how do trees actually talk? Let's say an insect starts attacking a tree's leaves. The tree can release chemical signals through the mycorrhizal network, warning nearby trees about the threat. These trees, in response, might begin producing defensive chemicals to protect themselves before the attack even reaches them. It's like a forest-wide alarm system. And it doesn't stop there. Trees can also share nutrients through this network. Older, more established trees, sometimes called mother trees, pass nutrients to younger saplings that are struggling to grow in the shade. It's almost as if they're nurturing their young, ensuring the survival of the next generation. The role of chemical signals and airborne messages. Trees don't just communicate underground, they send signals through the air too. When attacked by insects, they release chemicals, VOCs, that warn nearby trees to produce toxins. Some plants even attract predator insects to fight off the attackers, like calling in reinforcements. Forests aren't just collections of individual trees, they function more like a community. When one tree is in distress, perhaps because of disease, drought, or damage, neighboring trees can send extra nutrients through the fungal network to help it recover. But here's the really fascinating part. Even more amazing, trees help not just their own kind but other species too. Studies show firs and birches share carbon seasonally, supporting each other when needed. It's nature's version of teamwork. It's almost as if trees understand the value of teamwork. What happens when the network is destroyed? But what happens when we break these connections? Deforestation doesn't just remove individual trees, it severs the entire communication network. When trees are cut down, the underground fungal highways collapse, cutting off the vital flow of nutrients and information. This weakens the whole forest, making it more vulnerable to pests, diseases, and climate change. Without the hidden support system, young trees struggle to grow, and the forest loses its ability to regenerate naturally. This is why protecting old-growth forests is so important, not just for the trees we see, but for the entire invisible network beneath them. How we can learn from trees. What can we learn from trees? Nature thrives on cooperation, not competition. Trees share resources, support their neighbors, and sustain entire ecosystems. Their hidden networks show both the fragility and power of natural systems. By protecting forests, planting diverse species, and preserving soil fungi, we can restore these vital connections. Most importantly, trees remind us that everything in nature is interconnected, even when we can't see it. Next time you walk through a forest, pause to listen, not just to rustling leaves, but to the hidden conversations around you. Nature is always speaking. Are we listening? Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring our little planet. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the secret world of trees, like, subscribe, and share with fellow nature lovers. Together, we can help protect the forests that keep our planet alive.